Okay, so can you record this session? Okay.
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Okay.
You don't
So
have
do you
YouTube channel?
have? I have YouTube channel, but I don't have subscriber and I don't have viewer and I don't know how to make money. I don't know. So do you know how to make money in YouTube? Do you know?
No. I mean, I have also just start my YouTube channel just few months back. So before that, have you uploaded any videos on your channel? Do you upload?
Yes, I have uploaded 5 to 10 video only, but this is not responding. Y- uh, yes, because I don't know how to edit, how to mm, how to
Make
edit video.
thumbnail.
I don't know. Yes, thumbnail and
So
how
when
to
did you start?
share.
So when did you start your YouTube channel? And what is your main purpose? What was your main purpose earlier days?
I am using this application for improving English, for learning English, for practicing English. I don't want to become YouTuber. Mm,
Yeah, you told
I
already. You
know,
told.
yes. Because I think there is no future. Am I right?
Depend person to person. We can't
Yes.
assume like that.
If
If we
we,
have hands-on knowledge regarding anything, so we will definitely succeed in our life. Because nowadays we have
if
a lot of
we have a
example.
good skills, yes. If we
Then
have
you
a
can.
good skills, if we have a good communication skills, how to talk, how to make video, how to create scene, how to make content. After that, we can success. Am I right?
Yes, of course, without knowledge, how it's possible? If we don't have any knowledge and just we are doing anything without making a no, without making a roadmap, so how it's possible? So first of all, we should try to make roadmap, and then we should try to follow. Just I mean, step by step. Don't
Yes.
like don't just rush in your mind. Try to do things in very simplistic way. Don't think like that. I will jump. I will swim in a one day. It is not possible. If you want to learn swimming, so first of all, you have to like basic knowledge how we can swim, and you have to try with pool. Don't direct jump into the sea. So, so step by step, if you want to do anything in your life, so first of all, knowledge, hands-on knowledge. And then if you will do work, so maybe I mean, I can say we have a lot of chances. We can definitely do better in our life. Otherwise, not possible without knowledge, without experience, without Excel. Yes, this kind of thing. So I will comes to the topic again. So nowadays you are also, I mean, you can consider yourself as a YouTuber, and but you think you are thinking like that YouTube is a not we can't consider YouTube as a professional life. So why you are thinking, why you have this kind of mindset?
I did not get
Why you have?
your point. Please tell me again.
Okay, you told me nowadays we can't consider YouTube as a job, as a professional life. So why you are considering this thing? Because we have a lot of example. We can see YouTube. We have a lot of great influencer and simple lady, simple person. They are doing great job. They are earning much more money. They can replace government job as well as some reputed job. You know about there is a lady called Dehati Madam. Maybe you know about it. Heard about Dehati Madam?
I don't know.
You don't know about. I'm telling. I'm telling
okay,
you
okay,
her story. Few year back, she live in a village. She was from UP, and few year back, she had no idea what she do. So she tried to do learn this language. I mean English language. So mm, she put her heart and soul for learning this language. And earlier days, their family were not supporting their family member, their husband, and they are thinking that she's not doing anything. She's not doing anything in her life. But nowadays, she has a lot of subscriber, and she speak really well. She is a great example. And
okay,
after watching her lady, yes, yes, she speak really well. She's coming from village. If you have a time, so you can watch her videos, and she speak really well. And she's doing great job. Lot of famous YouTubers, lot of famous influencers, they want to talk with that lady. She is a great example. We can learn. We should try to think always positive mindset. Don't think like negativity in our mindset. We try to think
okay.
positive. We can't as a part-time business, as a part-time thing we can consider because we don't know about future. First of all, we should try at least. Yeah.
Okay.
So here I want to know from you why you are not considering YouTube as a career option.
Mm,
I mean, part-time job, full-time job,
I
what?
am saying, I am saying myself, if I upload video, but I don't know how to create video, how to say, how to make content, and how to make video, and I am saying about me. I don't know how to talk, uh, how to talk attractive. Okay, if I make impressive video, if I make attractive video, after
I
that
mean,
I can earn money.
if you are making some good good
Yes, yes,
content,
yes.
so people
Good
will see
content and good education, good topic.
that.
After that I can earn money. Otherwise, I cannot do, and I don't want you to become YouTuber. So, ma'am, do you want to become YouTuber?
I am here for learning purpose. I don't know about future. I'm trying my level best. Yes, I'm
Okay,
learning.
okay,
I'm
that's
doing.
great.
I'm putting my 110% for learning this language and for YouTube. I can say YouTube is my passion nowadays, and both are
Okay,
interrelated. I'm learning this language apart from as a YouTuber, like a not. I can say passion. So both are interrelated. These two things. And nowadays I'm following these two things. I don't know for
okay,
future. Yeah, and it will definitely help for my professional life if I have a good command in this language. So it's gradually helping for me. I don't know about future. How can I consider? Yes.
okay. So, ma'am, do you have any topic we can discuss? Like,
Yeah, you can suggest any
any
topic.
topic? Mm,
Yeah,
I have a topic. Uh, Private job and government job. So, which job is good? What is your opinion?
private job versus government job.
Yes.
Okay. So speaking about on this topic, so both have different positive and negative side. If I talk about government jobs, so government jobs are really lucrative. If you have a government job, so your life will be secure. And it is not a
Okay.
easy, it is not a piece of cake. You can just take government job in one attempt. It's not possible. So it's a time-taking process. And after the whole process, if you have a job, because I'm from UP and UP and Bihar. I mean, most of the people they want to do job in a government sector because everyone they want to, they think like that if we have a government job, so we don't think a lot. Just try to do. I mean, you don't worry about timings, and I mean your money. It's a secure. It's a secure. You don't have to put your lot effort. But in the other hand, private jobs. First of all, private job is a really. I mean, uh, if you have a
Yes.
potential, if you are capable, so you can do great job in private sector. Yes, and you can earn more money, whatever you want in a private sector. But the main problem is that they don't have any security. Suppose if you are doing any job in any company, any MNC, so uh, you are not
Okay, ma'am, my mobile
giving
is
your
switch
100%.
off. My mobile is
Hello, hello, hello.